For breakfast, we had pancakes, about 2 pancakes per person. And yeah, they're pretty good. Maylee made them. All right. Poke bowl while we wait for the ribs to cook. Got a little distracted and the ribs, the bottom got slightly burned. I think it cooked like an extra probably 20 minutes or so almost. But luckily the meat looks okay, so should be good. Might be a little drier than usual though. Alright, so since the ribs, I accidentally overcooked them a bit, I'm gonna go get some barbecue sauce so it's better. Sweet Baby Ray's, hopefully they have it here. And yeah, let's go. On the way to a Dollar General and then Publix. See the nice lake here. Here you can see a bit of the hurricane cleanup people had to do. All the branches and stuff they gathered together to have collected. Here's some more. A lot of people have their trash cans like fully overloaded. I'll show you later on the way back. Okay, so I stopped at Dollar General and then I checked the prices. You'll see it. I took pictures of the Eddies, which is basically dryers, and then the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So we'll compare the price to Publix. Let's go. Okay, we made it to the Publix. Let's see. Okay, so price-wise, if you buy the small bottle, it's more expensive here, but this is on sale. You buy one 28 ounce. This one is a 28 ounce. You buy one, get one free. So let's get a bunch of sauce. Here's what we got. Those 28 ounces, hickory and brown sugar, and barbecue is the original. Alright, so Publix, if you buy one, it's more expensive than Dollar General, but they have buy one, get one free deal right now, which makes it cheaper. And since I don't want the flavor my sister's getting, that works perfectly. I'm gonna pick one that I like. Alright, since they don't have any fruit flavor like strawberry or anything, I guess I'll try a churro caramel since they didn't have churros at Costco. And we come out to a grand total of $10.78. Not bad. 2 ice creams and 2 barbecue sauces. There's another nice lake here. Oops, I almost forgot. You can see all the trash cans filled with stuff. Quick video. This is the original. Pretty good. Sweet, tangy. Maylee says it's a worse ketchup. And here's hickory brown sugar. Very similar. Smokier, a little bit tangier. I think I like the original better. There we go, and let's scoop some out. Take a look here. It's a big scoop. You can see the swirls in there. Oh, I don't need that light. He added light to the review. Alright, there we go. Let's try a bit. There's a little churro thingy. Hang on. Pretty tasty. The churro is more like cinnamon pretzels, but it's a good flavor. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.